Hey guys, welcome back to Coin Knowledge. So today we're actually be going over a little bit of drama, some news that happened in the crypto space today involving Cointelegraph. If you're not familiar with Cointelegraph, is kind of a like an online news article for cryptocurrencies. One of the websites you can kind of go to get articles, updates, status updates on what's going on all crypto. So Cointelegraph, obviously they put out articles here. Earlier today, they did send out a tweet notification here from Cointelegraph saying breaking SEC approves iShares Bitcoin spot ETF, reportedly involving BlackRock, and you know it turned out to not be the case. So we can see it did kind of make a spike in the markets, but it did not seem to be the case. They did actually kind of give some misleading news about that, which we'll go into in depth in a little bit. So but they did put out this tweet at 6:30 a.m. So a little earlier today. We do apologize for a tweet that led to the disinformation of inaccurate information regarding the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. So obviously, this is not good. Not something we want to see. Kind of that fake news, especially from a big name in the crypto news space like Cointelegraph. They do an updated tweet saying that we hold ourselves to high standards. So, and they did put out an article of like, hey, this is what happened. But obviously, people are not happy about what they saw, what happened, because it just again fake news. You never want to see it, and we did see a price kind of the market correct itself because it was going so high because of this news that I would assume. And then as soon as they put this out, we saw the market kind of correct itself again. So, again, they did put out the article clarification on sharing false spot Bitcoin ETF news. So they did have to put this out, saying, hey, we apologize. Obviously, over the last 10 years, they realized that people have been trusting their information that they've been putting out of like, hey, this is what's going on. And then today, out of nowhere, they put out fake news. It's not like they put a little fake news out. I mean, a spot ETF is pretty big news. That's obviously a topic in the crypto space that's been getting tossed around and talked about for a while now about how big that would be. So they did do some internal screenshots here, right here, the editorial team, throughout their Telegram. So we can kind of go through it, deleted account, breaking, boom. And then somebody, I know, is that from the terminal? No, it hasn't come out. Kind of just pretty much explaining, hey, is it true? Are you sure? Is it true? Where did you get this? Would be a shame if everyone started copy pasting us without proofs. So, they really started going through and, kind of assuming of like, hey, how did this happen? So employee one, we posted the text of the lead shared by a Telegram account that has been deleted. So somebody did obviously put something in there, and then I'm assuming, and it sounds like an intern at Cointelegraph maybe shared it without any kind of approval or looking into it. It just sounded like somebody really just dropped the ball, honestly. It's just saying that, again, BlackRock says ETF application is still under review by SEC, which, oof. And especially if you're one of those people who you saw, this news and you were kind of banking on it financially, investing-wise into the markets, and you immediately saw the correction, probably not going to go to Cointelegraph anymore. Because, that really is just what kills it right there. Again, so Cointelegraph reportedly, boom, they put out a breaking that they approved it, or SEC approved the ETF for Bitcoin, spot ETF, and then they immediately deleted it. And then they put out a tweet saying that, hey, that's sorry. So again, they do say to ensure that something like this doesn't happen again, the team is thoroughly auditing and reviewing our social media management process. And, I know they put out saying that, I guess whoever within their team, intern or whoever did this, they said it was, by such the demand that, the media kind of puts out on these news teams or news websites to put out positive information for crypto investors. It kind of made it almost push them into doing this, almost like in a rush. But it's such a bad excuse, in my opinion, because it's like, well, if this was fake, what else is fake? What else are you rushing to do? What else are you not sourcing and verifying news-wise? Does it mean that all of this information and all of this news is fake and none of this can be trusted? I don't know, but that's kind of what happened today with Cointelegraph. And again, if you didn't see earlier, about the notification that they had did, then good, because it wouldn't have done you any good anyways if you looked at that and you're like, oh my god, it got approved, and then it didn't. So either way, let me know let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. What do you think about this Cointelegraph drama slash news? Do you think you're done with Cointelegraph? Are you still gonna go to them for your crypto news? Obviously, there's other options too, but I do like this tweet here saying that you could have just deleted it and claimed to have been hacked, which begs the question: what was the price tag for such a tweet? So again, that opens a whole other can of like, hey, are they being bought off? But that's not even for this video, and that's not even something I even want to get into, because that's a heated debate. Unless we want to talk about it in the comments. Let me know. Let's start talking about it. What do you think happened here? Again, can you trust Cointelegraph after this? Can you not? Were they even a platform that you went to for news? Also, let me know your thoughts on the Bitcoin spot ETF. What's your stance on it? Do you think we're going to see it? Do we not going to see it? Let's talk about it. Again, I appreciate you guys watching the video and the support you guys do. So if you guys can like the video, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, see you guys.